Welcome to the Mac Lab. I'm Scotchko, Mr. Scotchko if you prefer. You can call me Scotch or Sco or Mr. S or whatever you want as long as it deals with my last name. That's a teacher thing. I don't care about the Mr. You can address me how you're comfortable as long as it involves my last name. I'm going to try to learn your names, but you'll learn that that's one of my learning disabilities is faces and names. So everybody deals with something, and we're going to learn together. That's the bottom line. Now, if it's Tuesday, August 10th, Scotchko, what do you mean? If it's first day of school, we're watching the video on the first day of school. Yeah, but somebody else is going to come in for the first time on the second day of school, or the second week, or the second month, or the second semester. I want to tell you guys right now, and this goes for you too, it's not a race. Now you're used to, because this is a gameful learning environment, you're going to level up, you get XP and gold, and you build your mana, and you're going to learn the game mechanics and all that stuff. You don't have to play. It's all automatic. You can get involved in it if that's interesting to you. I built this in order to make learning more fun and to make my job more fun. So whatever day this is, here's some of the foundation I want you to know. Number one, every mission, these little modules, try to make bite-sized chunks so you can get XP, you can move forward, you can make progress. It's a lot of work for me, but it's more fun for you rather than sitting on something for a long time like this video, and I apologize for that, but we're getting to know each other. Notice that we're still on the home page. See, we're still on maclab.gameful.me, and this is a lightbox. If I click on this image, this is a featured image, it opens up inside this lightbox. To close this image, you click on this X or click anywhere, not out here, inside this lightbox in this gray area. But before we leave this image, the featured image, when I include them, is meant to amplify the message of the day. And in this welcome, I want honesty to be the focus. I want to be honest with you. I want you to be honest with me. And the idea that this guy, you know, I represent him with this lone tree in the snow. This is a Soviet dissident back in the Cold War, when speaking out against the government could get you a bullet in the head. So that's the context of this. Now in school, as a teacher, if I were to say school sucks and I think it's a broken system and I want to help change it, well, that wouldn't make me very popular with teachers, would it? Well, school sucks. That's how I feel. And that's why we do things differently in the Mac Lab. So to close this, I'm going to click out here. I'm going to teach all these graphics, all these skill sets. I'm going to help you learn these skill sets. And you're going to discover things and show me. And we're going to learn together. How cool is that? Speaking of cool, this isn't so cool. But yeah, masks, Spanish, Arabic, English. Figure it out. We're wearing masks. It's COVID. And I'm not going to get into my feelings about everything we're going through, self-inflicted wounds and all that, because I want to get to the FAQs and updates. Now, what's this? Now, to get out of this mission, I'm going to click away. But I didn't finish it. I didn't get my XP. We're not done. We're not done. FAQs and updates are right here. These are common questions, and I bet you have some. You know, like, how do you grade? What? You do it differently? Yeah, dang straight. Okay, what about homework? Huh? Why don't you use Schoology? Down the list. Okay, click on these. What's going on? Videos. Why don't you just teach? Why videos? Here, inside a page, this image does not open up. If I click on it, nothing happens. But if I right-click and open this in a new tab, then I can see it life-size. Okay, but for now, I'm just going to close that. And hey, look, words where things can be explained. These words right here, not from a Russian dissident, from me. And reimagine, reimagine. There is information here. You want to learn more about the Mac Lab? There you go. You want to get back to the homepage? You can just click right here. The homepage on the Mac Lab is the map. And you can also get to the map right here, but that changes the URL. We'll learn more about all this stuff. For right now, welcome to the Mac Lab. Let your parents know. Please let them know about the facts. Let them know about the weekly updates I'm going to send home. You got it? Okay, let's get on with the rest of this show.